morning, everyone. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I hope you're happy, healthy, and well. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video to show you what I got at the library book sale. Every fall and every spring, the Tompkins County Library has a library book sale, and the proceeds go to help a whole bunch of like social service organizations that do a lot of good for the community. Now, it's not our community. It's in Ithaca, New York, and that's about an hour and 45 minutes from my house. But it's still helping people, and you get a lot of cool books. And they have games, too. And this is one of the games I got. It's called the Pets card game. Now, I don't really care about the game, but I thought that these cards were really cute. And they can be used in our junk journals. Aw, look at the cats. They're so cute. Now they have questions on the back that you ask. I guess it's like a trivia kind of thing. Or, how much you know about the animals on your pictures. But I'll just cover up the backs and use the cards in junk journals. So we got that. I got a whole bunch of field guides because I'm always running out of pictures of birds, and so I get these to cut up most of the time for just cutting up. This one has real photographs in it. A lot of times I don't end up cutting the books up. I leave them on my shelf to look at, but this one I get over and over again. I could have bought like 5 copies of this one. So I keep this one constantly on my shelf to cut up and use. And then this was it's not really a novel. It's a naturalist, American naturalist pioneer in ecology, and one of the first writers to reveal the urgent need for preservation of our natural environment. So I thought that would be interesting to read. Wild Animals I Have Known. It looks like a short read. And we also got Songbirds, which I probably won't take apart. I have a couple of books similar to this that I have not taken apart, so I might, I don't know. And then the Audubon Birder's Handbook also had this inside, like a poster. I might cut them up, I don't know. I haven't decided if I'm keeping these as a reference book for me or if I'm going to use some of the pages in my journals. And then I also came across this basic reading skills for beginning readers set. It's got a few little worksheets. I thought these were cool. And then it has these giant flashcards in here. It's got like a magnetic strip on it. I think maybe you were supposed to push them through a machine that would read the word for you. Some of them I thought some of them were double-sided, but maybe not. I guess they're not double-sided, so that's actually perfect. I don't know why I thought they were. They are not double-sided. So that's good. But as you can see, they're very long compared to most journals. I might end up just cutting off some of them when I put them in my journals. And also, while we were in Ithaca, I have been wanting to go to this store called the Mockingbird Paperie. And I am not sure if you can pronounce it Paperie or Paperie. P-A-P-R-I-E. But I have been wanting to go in it for about 5 years, and I finally did, and I'm going to go get what I got there now and show it to you. Alright, so this is what I got for me, this cute little mug of a deer, and it's got a little Christmas ball on it, actually 2, by hummingbirds, held by hummingbirds, which I didn't even notice they were Christmas balls before, but that's alright. But the box that they came in is adorable, and I'm sure I will use this at some point for something. And then I got my husband this one. This is his favorite bird that comes to our bird feeder all year round. And this is the box that it came in, which is also equally as adorable. Now, I didn't get much in this store. They had all kinds of journaling stuff. Like my husband got ink for his fountain pen, and they had cards and those really expensive Japanese papers, but I couldn't afford any of those. But I did manage to get some wrapping paper, and this is the one page, like this one page or one piece was $6, but it's very adorable. It's got bluebirds on it. So I got that. I'm not going to use it as wrapping paper. I'm going to be using it in journals. And then I got this one for the fall. This one goes this way. But isn't that adorable? And they're actually double-sided, but one side is not as cute as the other. And let me see. I don't know if I showed you the other side of the bird one. I'm worried I'm going to rip it up, but that's the underside of the bird paper. So what I am going to do now is show you the layout that I started. This is going to be the last layout in my this junk journal. So this is the building where the library book sale is. This is Buttermilk Falls, which is in Ithaca. We did not go to Tagahonic Falls this time because it was getting late and it was getting dark and we wanted to go home. But we can go back again. This is the receipt from Mockingbird Paperie. And then this was from the bag. And this was, we had to park in the parking garage. And this was our dog's first time ever riding in a elevator, so I wanted to take a picture of it. And then this is a picture of the store. What was cool is this, it was in this place called the Commons in Ithaca, and it's just like an open walkway mall kind of, but where they closed off the roads. It's permanently closed off, so you just walk around in there. They have seating, places to eat, where you can eat outside, a little playground in the middle. It was really very cute. So and as soon as we got off the elevator, all we did was turn right, and there was an alley going into the Commons, and this was right at the end of the alley, which was very convenient because we didn't really know where it was. And then I've got two of these stickers from the package, you know, the bags that my husband and I got. So I'm going to put this one somewhere else too. But I thought I might be able to journal on here a little bit, or I could put a journaling card in here, maybe one of those cards I got. And then on here I'm going to just put some photos that I took of the stuff I got, which I'll do right now. Alright, so I have printed out my 2 pictures of the stuff I got, and I'm going to take off the end pieces here, and I'm going to trim it down the middle. It's hard to do exactly in the middle, I have to say, but do my best here. And I'm going to mount these on some yellow paper with glue. Normally I would probably stay away from the glue, but I'm trying to do this quickly, and glue is faster than my Dollar Tree tape runners. That's all I have available. So we're going to put this here like that, and we'll put this one here. And we had such beautiful weather the last couple of days. It was in the 70s, like upper 70s. I think it was 76 yesterday, and almost 80 the day before yesterday. So that's really unusual. So we're just really had fun wandering around Ithaca yesterday. And now we're going to just trim off as best we can here the exact sizes that I want. Okay, let's try that. Pretty good, pretty good. Actually, what if I left that there and wrote on that what it is? Maybe I'll do that. Okay, it almost looks like a Polaroid picture with a larger bottom like that. And so now I'm going to just paste these on to my last page in this journal. Oh, maybe I won't be able to leave that. Oh yeah, they do fit. Good. So we went to the bookstore first, so I'll put that one first. Yeah, I just realized this year that the money for this that's raised from this book sale doesn't actually go to the library. It goes to all kinds of service agencies that help people, so that's really nice. We'll put this up here. And now this one. Oops. And get my little pen out that I like, and this was Tompkins County Library book haul. I'll write this all out off camera and then we'll show you the end results. Alright, so here's a closer look at the last layout in my book, and this waterfall was very empty, just like all of the ones we've been going to lately. Just a trickle coming down there. Usually it's full, but we've been there when it was even lower before. And there's my husband holding the dog in the elevator, and the Mockingbird Paperie store. Oh, and we ate lunch at Chipotle, so that's what this came from. I always get the tofu, like I think it's called sofrito bowl. And then there we have my haul. My husband, I didn't put my husband's ink in there, but he got something else too, but I don't remember what it was. So I can journal on this card, and then I could add I think I will definitely add one of those, you know, those cards that I got. But I've just noticed this is already acting weird. It's making... Was that like that the first time I showed you? I don't think it was. Wow, I'm going to have to check back in the film and see if it was already turning green. That's so weird. I wonder if it was because of glue. I don't know. But anyway, stay tuned soon for a complete flip through of this journal. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.